Mother Lucia, our very good and loving director. Honorable ST members, I saw our honorable chancellors present here. I saw Honorable Lagarina Solan, Solomon, and Tony Quezon. Our former mayor, Gomez Sayo, and his better half. Mrs. Marcelina Dalay, our hardworking high school principal. Our very cooperative and supportive parents, headed by Dr. Florita Delmore. She is the family council president, and all other officers of the family council who have worked so hard, as was mentioned by Father B in his story. They work so hard to empty their pockets so that they will be able to give packets that will benefit our pupils and students. Fellow educators, Reverend Sister Alfeni, grade 6, our graduating pupils, either honor pupils. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I want to welcome you all on this graduation of our kinder and grade 6 pupils, and also the recognition of our achievers, academically and extra and co-curricular activities, our honor pupils. This is indeed a day of rejoicing, a praise and thanksgiving, not only to our dear parents, not only to our teachers and administrators, but foremost to our Almighty God. Yes, seeing all of you, dear graduates, with your parents, beaming with optimism and joy, makes me and your teachers doubly happy and proud. This gives us a sense of achievement. My warmest congratulations to all of you. To the honored pupils, may I take this chance to congratulate you. You have done your best, ginawa niyo lahat, both academics and co and extracurricular activities. You have added another cap to your feather to your cap, and what you and your parents feel proud. Always bear in mind that is the honor, is the fruit of your hard labor, sacrifices, and by God's grace. So thank God for this gift and never boast of it. I have told you time and again that we, your teachers and administrators, are not the ones making your grades. You are the ones making your grades. Sabi ko nga, secretary lang din yung amigo. Carry on the good work. To you, dear graduates, this is the only first step to a higher ladder of education. Remember, your whole life is an education that has only just begun. It is a long and challenging journey, but keep on learning. Knowledge, skills, positive values and attitudes, with God's grace and parents' full support, are the keys to realizing what you want in life and being who you want to be. Find the secrets of success. Your graduation song entitled Hold On to Life spells out clearly the secrets of success. by living your life, there may be a trial, a heartache, but today is a brighter tomorrow. Don't be afraid, for God is always there for you. In last Sunday's article in the Philippine Star, I read this letter to the graduates, which was given by Mr. Wilson Lee Flores, who was a guest speaker at the graduation ceremony last March 28. I hope some parents were able to read this. I would like to share the practical and beautiful suggestions he has given the graduates. Number 1, dream. Sabi ko sa advertisement sa TV, libre mangarap. It doesn't cost anything. And if you dream big, then it's not enough that you dream. You have to write down the dream and then put target dates to achieve them so that they won't just be fantasies. Second, obey your parents. Yes, mahalaga ito po mga bata in their grade 6 at honor progress. Obey your parents because they only want the best for you and they have more